My name is Bradley Agnew. I work on the sander in the finishing department in Chopin, Louisiana. I took the WoodWorks class in Pineville High School. The WoodWorks class is a class that teaches the things about the lumber industry. So I was able to tour the plants, and I was able to meet the employees and the high executive personnel. So in that class is when I first heard about RoyOMartin. I really didn't have the money for college, so I had a really great opportunity out here for me. I know some people who are going to college that are struggling with bills and student loans. I'm over here, I'm not worried about any bills because I'm already covered. I started off on the patch line, and I stayed there for about 7 to 8 months, and then I was moved on to the forklifts. I got my forklift license, and then I moved on to the sander operator. So when I joined RoyOMartin, I was introduced to the PKS program, which guaranteed increased pay when I mastered certain machines and certain skills. You know, you have an opportunity for a pay increase, but you have to take this test and study for it. Most defining moment was when I had the opportunity to move up and to explore different machines. I felt that I accomplished something, that I was actually moving up instead of just staying in the same place over and over again. So it really motivated me to keep moving forward and keep seeking new opportunities out here.